Alright, we got another video for you guys. Welded the diff on my buddy's Lexus. He's over here making a ruckus. Let's go check on him, see what he's doing back here. Camera's on you.
Oh boy, well, we're just under here getting rusted off. He's welding the third Lexus diff in this month, which is a new record for me.
We're welding the diff on this. Show you guys a little bit through this video.
It's not really nice, I'm just kidding. They call me the physicist, the way I be physicsing on these boys. Oh god. No. Yeah, my dumbass didn't take the axle bolts out before I took the diff bolts out. So that's why we're, yeah. Now every time I go to loosen it, the whole fucking diff moves. At least the diff is nice and warm. It's like a little hand warmer. This is the most not fun part.
What's the fun part?
When the diff's already back in, you gotta make sure it works. Other than that, this is the part that just sucks the most. You get the diff back in, and you're like, well, I gotta go make sure it works. Let me just drive my car like a fucking angry teenager. And you're like, oh, yep, diff works, so that's good. And the goal is this one doesn't break, or at least last longer than any of the other ones. Because the other three that I've done did not last very long at all. Then again, I used a gasless MIG welder with flux core and didn't preheat it. I didn't think any of that was gonna fucking happen. At first I thought it was. I'm like, this looked pretty good. And then it didn't work, and then I did it again thinking, oh, I did that while I was under the influence, you know, and I was tired and I just wanted it done. So I redid it. That one didn't work, so I bought a new diff. Because I re-welded the first one, thinking, oh, the diff was already fucked up. So I'm gonna plate this one, and you know, that's gonna do it. Right. No, wasn't the case either. Why is it so fucking tight? That's what she said. And then there's 2 more bolts on this, 3 bolts right here, and we're out. That's how you get the axles off. Let's see, can I? Well, I guess we can be sketchy again. That always seems to work. I hate being sketchy, but you know, make shit happen, so can't complain too much. I just flopped around for a minute again. Oh. This sounds so fucking extremely horrible.
It's off.
I hope to God it came off, because that sounded horrible.
Oh, the whole, yeah, it came on, yeah.
The whole diff just started leaving the chat. Happy it didn't start spinning around. That would have been fucking horrible. You want to give me a jack? All right, about there. Give me some uppies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep it going. Keep going. That'll probably be good to stop the diff from just falling out of the bottom of the car. As long as the diff doesn't just straight up leave the chat. Oh, that was nice and spooky. All right, we have 3 bolts to take out, and we're good. Oh, there we go.
Too slow?
You can go. You can go. I'm holding it up right now, so go a little fast. Don't like slam it, but you know, these things are always so Jesus Christ, now I'm fully holding it. It's so heavy. So fucking heavy for no fucking reason. Oh, there's the end of the axle. No, we need that. And then I guess the other one's stuck over here. We need this, because this is important. This keeps all the grease in there and out of my mouth, so it's stuck right here. Please don't fall on the floor. Oh, it fell on the floor. And now I have fucking grease all over here. Bring it.
Alright, so King got the diff out. We're gonna drain it now.
Try not to drop the diff and just absolutely obliterate the oil pan. This is gonna be disgusting, stinky, smelly fluid. Ooh. It's actually really good fluid-ish. But now it's good fluid. Maybe I bought a good car, because the fluid looks good. It's not Hickeys. Yeah, why is it green? Or is there coolant in here from your Mustang?
No, this is just straight oil.
Out of what?
The Mustang.
That probably has coolant in it. There we go. You know, this is the cleanest diff removal I've done so far.
Maybe it's just turning green to just mixing with black.
It is
oil.
gear oil mixing with engine oil. And yeah, no, it is new oil. Oh my gosh, it's brand new. They still got the paint on here from when they were making sure they're... Well, see how this shit does this? You put a bunch of weld in here and then don't do that. So like when your drive shaft's spinning and this wheel's sitting in like on a wet part of the road or gravel, and then the other wheel, or like when you're off-roading, one of your wheels in there, it's supposed to spin this as the ring gear, which spins this whole casing that spins the axles. Instead, one wheel will just get all the power because of this. I don't want to talk about it. Sketches for every day. Yeah, this is literally brand new. I've never seen one this nice.
So what does this do? What does lighting on fire do?
It basically, if you think about it, it boils and melts off all the, like any grease that's in it. So you know how you want your weld to be as clean as possible. The idea is this gear that goes this way, melt that into this big like U-shaped
Oh yeah. It's like Caden's a professional diff welder now. Welding the diff on this Lexus. Kind of beat. We got him welding the diff, and then Lexus. This is a GS430. We got a few things done to it. It's got cut knuckles, extended lowers, and then adjustable upper control arms to counteract the crazy amounts of camber you get with extended lowers. A broken mirror because someone hit my car. A few other things. But this little motherfucker over here.
What'd you just weld? That corner?
Oh yeah. I don't know which one I like better. I think that center right there. This looks pretty A1 to me. It is nice to know people that know what they're doing, because I don't know what I'm doing. But you see right here, Ken N54. I'm Ken N54, also known as Killer Ken. Killer Ken Diff. And get some Killer Ken activities going in the Mustang winged Camaro powered Lexus. I'm gonna throw a straw at him. Fucking idiot.
Alright, we got a diff all welded together. Time to let her eat. Alright, so get this all welded together. Getting it cleaned up right now. Went ahead and put a signature mark on there, put Insanity. Mixing up the special concoction. We're gonna go ahead and throw on there to
The anti-diff leak sauce.
seal this bad boy.
Your diff will never leak if you JB weld it shut.
Exactly. Alright, we're working on getting this bad boy back up here.
Alright, give me some upwards.
Alright, we got diff welded. Go ahead and give you guys a start up. We're gonna pull it out of the garage.